Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make SpongeBob SquarePants in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we will need is we need water and water to create lake, and then a fire, and add it with another fire to create volcano, add it with lake to create island, and then add volcano to create Hawaii. Go for earth, and then water to create plant, add it with Hawaii, you'd get pineapple. Once you have pineapple, the next one is you want to go for earth, and then wind to create dust, and then water to create mud, and then earth to create clay. Add another clay to create brick, add another brick to create wall, and then add another brick to create house. So combine it with the pineapple, and now you have pineapple under the sea, and now you need lake and water to create ocean, and then water again to create fish, and then you want to combine it with pineapple under the sea, and now you have SpongeBob. And now the next thing is we're gonna go for house right here, and then add another house to create town, and then you would have a city when you add town again. So once you have the city, now you need to add ocean to create Atlantis, and then you need to add the mud next right here and add it with water to create swamp, and then add it with Atlantis to create Loch Ness, and then we need mud, and then Atlantis right here to create Kraken, and then you want to add water into it to create squid, add it with SpongeBob, you would have Squidward right here, and then you can add earth to create Sandy. And now the next thing is you want to add Squidward to create Squidward, and then add plant into it to create seaweed, and then Squidward right here, and then plant to create tree. And then after that you want to add it to Squidward, and then you would have squid tree, and then you would need Squidward here, and then you want to go for volcano, and then you want to add fire right here to create lava, and then add water to create stone. And then once you have stone, you want to add another stone to create boulder right here, and then add another stone to create rock, and combine it with Squidward, you would get Patrick. So once you get Patrick, now you have Squidward and monster right here. You would be able to get this one, and that is basically it on how you can make these SpongeBob SquarePants characters here in Infinite Craft. So thank you for watching.